Google Ads not converting, no results for more than a month. Hi there, I run ads for my e-commerce website with home products actively for more than 1 month. We had better results with Meta and Pinterest while Google CPC is much higher. We tested all type of campaigns. We had some sales, but I think it was retargeted sales from Pinterest. After stopping Pinterest ads, we have zero sales. Now I'm not sure if I should keep Google Ads. If yes, which campaign should I keep? Shopping or Performance Max? Also, I don't use Google Ads anymore. Only ChatGPT. Is the AI reason for a low performance? Okay, so what do you mean by if you don't use Google anymore, ChatGPT? Okay, so I assume you use ChatGPT for assessors. Okay, so because you said that after stopping Pinterest ads, we had zero sales. So I think that first of all, the trouble lacks in your conversion tracking. This is a huge barrier. And while auditing Google Ads account, many of the accounts, I still feel that not doing conversion tracking is one of the biggest hurdle. Biggest. I mean, I do not have what to describe. On you guys are actually wasting all of your competitor money just because you have a poor conversion tracking system in place. So my recommendation, if you have a poor or a conversion tracking system which is not working at all, you may eventually waste up money and this will not be workable anymore. Regarding few things, that how are you analyzing your data. I recommend clients like yours to run retargeting campaigns for the traffic you're getting from Facebook and Meta and Pinterest. You can do retargeting as well on Google Ads. Also, for the e-commerce websites to work well, my recommendation is that I usually recommend people to have email newsletter on them, because for instance, this is a website, and if you look around on the website, you see around there is an email newsletter, and sometimes you send special offers to them, and that is how you build a relation with them. So a relation building is also very important with your client. So my recommendation is to build a relation with your client, and that is how they will eventually convert later on. And why do sell a single product to them? Sell multiples, hundreds. So create a relation. Even if you're getting traffic from Meta or Pinterest, and if you are not having your email newsletter in place, so you are losing money. And do you have anything new for your visitors? For instance, you have deals of the week, deals of the day for sometimes for your visitors. This, or also, are you connecting them with your social media pages? These are the few of the things which I think can be the reasons of poor sales. So my recommendation is to look around for those as well, and that is how you can improve your sales. Apart from this, now regarding moving back to your, because your Google ads are not converting, I think that while auditing the Google ads account, I have found many things. Conversion tracking is first thing. Poor account structures. What people do is they add hundreds of keywords in a single ad group. So my recommendation is that doesn't work at all. So create small ad groups. Multiple ad groups with small set of keywords. Okay, 1 to 3 keywords is the best thing you can do to yourself, and 1 to 2 ads. This can help you. Ads optimization help you. I will answer this part on but later on at the last. But right now I want to tell you a few of the things, errors which I have found when Google Ads is not working. These are the reasons why your Google Ads is not working. So multiple ad groups. I recommend having multiple ad groups. You need to have 1 to 2 ads, and ads should be proper. What people do is they look around on the ad, they create a chart. No, the intent is very important, and you need to look around. For instance, this is a regular ad. If you add assets on your web ads, look around how optimized your ad has become. Look around, ratings, reviews, site links, locations, authenticity, phone number. So these are the things which grabs the customer. So look around for these things as well. These are the reasons why you are not getting sales. Try to understand these things. Another thing important I have discovered after is auditing multiple accounts is that people don't work on timings and days. Look around, which days, which time you get more sales, spend more money on it. Create specific campaigns for those days and timings. Look around for your locations. Look around for your locations and data. Geographic data helps you in optimizing your campaign and your bidding strategy. For Google Ads, I recommend starting with maximize clicks for new campaigns, and later on maximize conversions, or other, maybe depending upon the type of the campaign. But now moving back on which campaign you should target. Okay, I recommend for e-commerce stores is to run for a week for Performance Max, P Max for a week or two, Select top to 5 to 10 products which are working well and create their shopping ads and search ads for those 10 products which are working well, generating you most income or generating you most orders. Also, another thing is, are you comparing yourself with your competitors? Because if someone has clicked on your website and if you are doing the right keyword, if you are putting the right keyword, have done the keyword research, done on the keyword intent and putting at the right ad on it, and they are clicking it, it means they want to buy that product. And if still they are not buying it, they means they are buying it from your competitor. And why from your competitor? Pricing is not the only reason. Your landing page structure, how good your landing page is, your landing page, website, your website reviews. I mean, these are all of the things, which is the reason why you're getting poor sales. The website speed, how attractive. Now I'm this website is just in front of me, which is why I'm just showing you, but there is I've reviewed hundreds of websites. You can look around for my YouTube channel to see around, and these are the reasons why you get poor sales. So look around for your landing page, look around for your website reviews, and then decide. So once you run it for 2 to 3 weeks, then we can move on to the shopping search campaigns as decided. So this is my strategy. But again, I have, for some clients, we are running on directly search campaigns as well. I also recommending you to do retargeting as well. So don't forget the retargeting part, because you are getting good sales from Meta and Pinterest as well. So for those traffic, work on that as well. And eventually all of this can help you in generating more sales through the Google ads. So I hope this answers your concerns. But if you or anyone who wants to get their full Google ads audit done, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Or if you want us to work on Google Ads audit, setup or management, again, we can work with you. You can hire us through the link in the description. If Google Ads is not working for you, not converting, we are a Google partners and we can definitely help you. And as a Google partner, we also help clients with Google website development solutions, Bing Ads, SEO, Google Merchant Center, Google Shopping campaigns. So we are a full-fledged digital marketing agency. And in case if you need help with either of the thing, you can hire us through the link in the description, and we will definitely love forward in working with you as a Google partner. So I hope this answers your question. And again, in case someone is having issues with the Google Ads campaign, we will love to work with you as a Google partner. So thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.